Welcome back to another video. Today we got an Ace Hardware Black Friday ad. We got says a sale November 20th through December 2nd. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more true reviews, to deals, and Black Friday deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got some grills here. It says free assembly and delivery on any grill. Let's see here. On the bottom, we got Milwaukee Eagle Yeti Steel Craftsman. So we got a $3.99 deal here. Stanley DeWalt. It says Stanley DeWalt, 2 accessories, $3.99 each. So you got to go to the store, I guess, to find out what items. From what we're looking here, pretty much we got some extension bits here. Some blades, maybe some more bits, some screwdrivers, Stanley screwdrivers, and then we got some pliers. Then we got some sort of blade, Stanley blade there. So yeah, those are pretty much stocking stuffers right there. So you can just small little gifts you can give away and stuff like that. Oh, and then you got a crowbar right there. But yeah. This great deal here for $3.99 each. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, here on the next page, we got some more grills. I'm not gonna go over all the grills, but yeah, we got pretty much 1,390. A little expensive there. It's a nice grill there. $6.99, $8.99 for that, $4.79 for this one. $179 for this one. This is a black stone 20 griddle, and then we got a propane turkey fryer, $59.99. Then we got a pit barrel cooker drum smoker for $2.99. I gotta say, every time you're cooking out something from when it's smoked, especially if it's under the ground, it's like the best meat ever. You can, well, I heard about, people cooking under the ground. As a matter of fact, I had a customer in Maricopa, that had another underground cooking barrel, and he was just showing me his setup, and I was just so surprised. But yeah, anytime you're gonna be cooking something like this, oh my God, it's so good. So I just recommend it for you guys if you guys haven't tried it out. You got power tools, great gifts for more from Milwaukee. So you got $19.99 each. I can't really see what that is. You got some channel locks there, groove joints, some screwdrivers, a screwdriver set there. You got a pack out box here. Then you got this $99.99. This is Milwaukee M18 impact driver kit. So you get an impact driver, a battery, and a charger, a bag, and then you get some bits there for $99.99. Not a bad deal. I don't think this is gonna be a brushless. I think this is a brush tool. Let's see if it'll take me. Yeah, it does not say brushless. So it's still a brush tool. So well, it's an okay kind of deal, not a smoking deal. We got a Black & Decker jigsaw orbital sander and drill, angle grinder, or roto bit storage screwdriver. So any of these for $19.99. You got your choice of starter tool there. It says DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion drill and impact driver kit. $149.99, and then you get this this bit set there. Not the greatest deal ever, but I guess it's okay. I remember last year we had for a few days there we had a brushless impact driver and drill driver for one. I believe it was the same price, $149.99, or either $149 or $179.99. I think it was $149. It was just a smoking deal, and was a smoking deal. This is an okay deal. I mean, it's not something to die for there. It says DeWalt 64-piece bit driver bit sets, $14.99. You got buy one of these, I guess one of these tools, and get both of these for free. So you buy one of these tools and get a battery and a charger for free. Um, Not a killer deal, but it's fine. I mean, it's not a bad deal at all. So if you buy a jigsaw or circular saw, I like that. The multi tool. It's a nice multi tool. Then you got some Craftsman deals here. It says perfect gifts from Craftsman for your garage. You got $99.99 for the pancake compressor. It is a 6 gallon, so it's a little bigger one. Then you got $99.99 for this Craftsman 5-drawer ball bearing tool center. They call it tool center. And then they got the Craftsman 12-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $49.99. That's not a bad deal. It's a great deal for that vacuum. It says $49.99 for the Craftsman 51-piece mechanics tool set. Yeah, these are good deals, guys. This one especially, the 224-piece. I don't know if the Dena Tools did put out. I don't know if it was a video or just a post that he saw this for $99. So yeah, it's a great deal. I can't remember exactly the regular price for this, but it is a 224-piece mechanics tool set. It's a great deal. I think it's a great deal. These two are pretty good deal. I would definitely get this for the truck and this for a house. You got Craftsman 10-piece, 3/8 or 11-piece, 1/4 drive socket set or 7-piece wrench set. So any of these for under $10. Not a bad deal. I got a few last year. I remember. I still have them. Those are my I threw them in my take my truck bag, because I have a bag I carry around, in case somebody needs to use some tools or something. I lend them some of these tools. You got gear wrench 20-piece ratcheting combination wrench set, $49.99. A few pages down, just fast forward real quick. It says Happy Holidays from Stealth. You got a Stealth $299.95. It says battery powered chainsaw. Doesn't really tell you how big this is. My guess is probably like a 16 or something like that, or a 14. Probably a 16. But it is battery powered chainsaw. See if it'll let me click on it. Yeah, it's not. It's just taking me to the. Yeah, it's not letting me. All right. We got a heater for $89.99. 90.5 bronze patio heater. It's the same thing. $5.99 for the Ego 56 volts power single stage snow thrower. It says #1 rated cordless platform. Ego. Yeah, Ego's a good brand. A little pricey though. 23-inch portable tower heater, $39.99. And then you got some Yeti coolers. It says Ace Rewards members earn $50 with the Yeti purchase, or $10. You got a Craftsman electric start single stage snow thrower, $519.99. So these are almost the same price. Why not go Ego, You got a 24-inch electric start self-propelled dual stage snow thrower. Oh yeah, so you got might be worth it to get a gas. I got a Craftsman half a horsepower belt drive, drive smart garage door opener, $199.99. And then you got a ladder here. It says buy one of these and get one for free. So you buy a little giant 17 feet type IA 300-pound capacity aluminum articulate ladder, and you get a little giant portable work platform for 39 or a 39.99 value. Got some more gifts for the family. You got some toys here, $14.99 each. Got some more gifts right there. Some gloves, some more gifts down here for $20. You got some more gifts here. You got a iLife portable Bluetooth tailgate speaker. So this is pretty much like a wireless speaker. iLife Platinum voice activated Wi-Fi portable speaker. It's probably the same thing. $49.99 for that. Then you got these. It says your choice. $9.99. So you got some gifts for the family. You got a protector silex, coffee maker, electric knife, or a toaster, or a Taylor digital oven thermometer. Nice. So you got some gifts for the family there, and then you got some more nicer gifts here. You got a $79.99 queuing K select single serve coffee maker, and then you got a 5-quart power air fryer. Is that an air fryer? Yeah, I guess that's it. Then you got a power smokeless grill. It's a nice grill. Living access 6 feet folding and a half table. Yeah, guys, the print on this ad is like super small, so it's hard to read. Nebo LED flashlight headlight combo. It's a nice light. $19.99. All right, we got the Ring doorbell. It says video doorbell 2, $139.99. Not a bad deal for that. You got one regular price item under $30 or 15 off of regular price item over $30 in store online. Black Friday only. Says valid November 29. And then you got $15 off and your entire purchase regular priced. Merchandise in store online Saturday, Cyber Monday. So this is Cyber Monday and this is for Black Friday. So one regular price item under $30 or $15 off a regular price over $30. Okay, so I guess you get 50% off any regular priced item under $30, or you get $15 off any item over $30. Basically, plain and simple. Yeah, this is the last page. Alright guys, appreciate it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool Black Friday deals, more Black Fridays specials, more tool deals, tool reviews, and we'll see you guys on the next one.